PSLV stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Sprott Physical Silver Trust stock. very tough to kind of gauge, but I'm still going to use my approach that I've tested for 38,000 videos, more than anyone else in the game, and all of this is documented with tens of thousands of videos proof. Yeah, one thing that I still must say, that just going to mark up the highs. Yeah, I still see this demand zone as a good range to take things up, but I also understand that this is now volatile enough to go the typical approach. So confirmations would be the type 2 confirmation that I have. Because, you know, in trading, there is 2 games: getting inside a trade game, managing the trade game, right? So as long as I see the confirmation, there's nothing stopping me from buying. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free. It's literally free.